Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at 5 ways to earn income working online. 5 ways to earn income working online. And we'll go right straight to the point. And number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing. Freelancing is to offer your skills and services that people are in need of and sell those skills on platforms that pay you money anytime people come looking for your skill. Right. So you can do graphic designing, or you can write. If you can write ebooks, you can design cards, you can design flyers, you can design logos. You are somebody who can do you can create websites, right? A website developer. These are skills you can monetize on platforms online. Just your skills, right? You can do digital marketing. These are all platforms, these are all skills that you can monetize on various platforms, and then you earn money, right? And one of the platforms that you can do that is Freelancer. That's one of the platforms that you can put up some of your work that people can come look for them, and then they can patronize them, and then you've made your monies. And then Fiverr is one of the platforms that you can put up your work, because a lot of people go on Fiverr to look for logos, they look for certain flyers, they look for certain designs, they look for so many things. So just as you know how to design or to write things or to do this or to do that, you put up your projects there, and then people will come up and then patronize them, right? That is how you get paid on Fiverr. And then the second platform and the second skill that you can use to get monetized online on various platforms is tutoring. You can teach, right? You can teach people certain subjects, certain languages, courses. You can put those things up online. And we have Teachable. We have Teachable as a platform where you can display your skills for people to come and patronize. We have VIP Kid. You can go on that platform, you sign up, and then you can teach kids for income, right? So you can put up those things. Now, the third platform that you can put your work is Coursera. It's a platform too that you can display what you can do, and then what you can teach, and then people go there and then patronize them. So you put your price, and as you get a client, they patronize, and then you make your money. The third, way to make money online is affiliate marketing. And some of us, affiliate marketing has really given us a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is when you sign up with a company, and then you get a referral link or code, and you put that link on your platform or your website or people on your content, wherever. Now, as people click on your link or people use your link to buy products from that company, you are paid a commission. As simple as that. You are paid a commission. So for those of us who have certain following on social media, you have an affiliate link. People get into your page, they click your link, it takes them to the company site, they make a purchase, you are paid a commission. As simple as that. So why shouldn't we make money by doing affiliate marketing? Right, you can do that with Amazon Associates. You can do this with ClickBank or Share a Sale. Right, these are all platforms that you can make money. Number four and popular way of making money, earning money online, is by creating content. Right, by creating content, a lot of us, get paid on Facebook, you get paid on YouTube, you get paid on TikTok, you get paid on what's the other one? Instagram. You know them. Snapchat, they are a lot. LinkedIn, they are all there. But I always say that you need to find out a platform that resonates with you. You need to get platform that you are comfortable with, right? There are platforms that when you get on them, you realize that you can do your stuff easily and you know your way around. Don't work on platforms that you go there and you are stuck for a month. You don't know what you are doing on the platform. Get out of that platform and look at a platform that resonates with you. You can easily find your way around. You can easily understand stuff, and then you can easily promote yourself or your products over there. Right. Now, the fifth, an interesting one to make money online is to set up an online store, and the easiest and cheapest way to drop ship onto that store. You set up your online store with maybe Shopify or Etsy or Ecwid, eBay, BigCommerce. They are just countless. You set up your online store there, and what you do is you drop ship onto the online, where you're looking for a cheaper way to make money without incurring a very heavy initial cost to set up that business. And that way is to set up the store and drop ship onto it. Now, what is drop shipping? Drop shipping is when you set up your store, you connect to other suppliers through certain plugins, right? You connect to a supplier, and you bring the supplier's product onto your store, all right? And any client who comes to your shop to buy your products, that order goes straight to your supplier. Your supplier looks at the order, looks at the address, packages the product, delivers to your client, takes whatever cost must have been incurred in the delivery. You can call it delivery cost, and then the profit is kept for you on your store or paid to your bank online. So here you haven't manufactured a product. You have not gone to buy any product with outright cash. You have a shop sitting there filled with products, and then it's being sold, and you are getting your money, and then getting all the work done for you. All that you are doing is, number one thing that I would always encourage that you do is to promote your store. Right, so we'll talk about that one in another video. So these are the 5 ways that you can make money working online, working at home, or anywhere, right? Because all these ones that I've mentioned, you can do them on your smartphone. As easy as that, right? So if you like the content or you find any value here, do not forget to like and subscribe for more content, right? I will see you in the next video. Bye.